Engineers in San Diego are working on smart clothes to cool and heat the human body using fabric that expands or shrinks in reaction to temperature. And $100 million have just been allocated to use radio telescopes to search for aliens. Vsauce! Kevin here. This is Mindflow. Researchers at Duke University connected the brains of 4 rats to create a brain net. After networking the 4 brains via electrodes, the rats were given tasks in memory storage and retrieval, and the brain net performed better than individual rats did. This technology could revolutionize computing, as well as provide new mental and physical therapies for stroke victims or people in comas. Oregon State University researchers have patented bacon seaweed. Created from a strain of red marine algae, this new superfood is packed with minerals and proteins and has twice the nutritional value of kale. But most importantly, when it's fried, it tastes like bacon. Construction company Volker Wessels hopes to start building roads out of plastic. Their proposed idea would be to collect plastic floating in the ocean and then process it into sections of road that could be installed on site like tiles. In theory, these roads would be more durable, environmentally friendly, and easier to install than asphalt. However, concerns over their safety in contact with rain or extreme heat must be addressed before the project can move forward. Not to mention the actual cost of collecting plastic from the ocean. The Hankook iflex is an airless tire. Comprised of 3 solid sections, the iflex promises a smoother ride, more fuel-efficient driving, and it's not only made out of recycled materials, it can itself be recycled. The tire has actually been in development for several years, but recent advances in the manufacturing process means they can start moving past prototyping stages and into performance and durability testing. The In-situ Fabricator is a robot that can lay bricks for construction sites. Unique in that it is autonomous, the Fabricator can build a 3D map of a construction site and upload it, which means that the robot can navigate the area on its own. It's not yet ready for commercialization though, as it needs a human to feed it bricks. Images of celebrities were used in mind game experiments to discover how memories are formed. The researchers would show a subject a photo of someone like Jennifer Aniston next to the Eiffel Tower, and then monitor which neurons fired within the brain. They found that if then just shown an image of Aniston, the subject's neurons related to the Eiffel Tower would also fire up, illustrating that neurons change their firing properties at the exact moment that a memory is formed. Basically, they observed learning. The Stella Lux is a family-oriented solar car that generates more energy than it uses. Built to accommodate 4 people and reach a speed of 77 miles per hour, the Stella Lux is able to take its surplus energy each day and return it to the grid. In October, it will be competing in the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge, and if you pledge 10,000 euros to the team, they'll fly you to Australia to take a ride in the car. A new species of raptor was discovered in China, and it has feathered wings. The raptor probably couldn't fly, so possible explanations for the wings include for use in mating displays, protecting eggs, or regulating body temperature. The discovery raises questions about the evolution of wings and how they may have initially evolved for purposes other than flying. Raytheon has created a see-through aluminum ceramic that is bulletproof. The substance is half as heavy as traditional bulletproof glass and twice as effective at stopping bullets, and it remains transparent even after being shot. So far, the armor is only used for battlefield lenses or windows over missile sensors, but could someday allow for even safer windshields. Buddy is a new companion robot for your home. He autonomously patrols the house, reminding you of important events, acting as your alarm clock, turning off your lights when you're not around, and alerting you of suspicious activity. You could take control of Buddy remotely in order to check on your home, and he can even act as a party photographer or tutor for your child. And he's being built to be a robotic modular platform that a community could program for and improve. Finally, Mcity is a location specifically built for autonomous vehicles.
The types of technologies that will be tested out here are both connected, so vehicles communicating with other vehicles, even around blind corners, as well as to the infrastructure, and then various levels of automation all the way up to fully autonomous. Will the automated vehicle detect the pedestrian in the crosswalk and stop?
I'm going to leave you with tangible holograms, and as always, thanks for watching.